Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive. Whoa! Look at this royal character! Hello, super learners! Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki number block 30. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle, and inside it, draw another rectangle.
Learning makes you big and strong. Sprunki says keep going high. Numbers reach up to the sky.
A nice big body. Perfect! Now draw the lower body underneath. Draw inside the lower body too. And add the outline around the lower body. Now draw 4 vertical lines and 4 horizontal lines inside the main body. That makes lots of little blocks up here.
Wave your hands up to the sky. Numbers flying oh so high.
Now draw 1 vertical line and 4 horizontal lines inside the lower body. Altogether, that makes 30 blocks. Now let's draw a royal crown on top and little balls on top of the crown points. So royal! Now let's draw the face. Draw the glasses. Now draw the eyes inside the glasses. And add the eye detail, the little sparkle.
Learning makes you bright in school. Count with friends, count with me. Sprunki time is number spree.
Now draw the happy smile mouth. Draw inside the mouth too. And finally, at the very top, write the number 3030. Our drawing is complete! Hello, everyone! I am Sprunki number block 30. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eyes black. Did you know black is the color of night skies and shiny shoes? Sharp and clear. Now pick up orange. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Color the glasses frame orange. Fun fact, orange is the color of juicy oranges. Looking sharp.
Learning makes you big and strong. Sprunki says keep going high.
Now pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the smile red. Color the crown balls red too. Fun fact, red is bold and bright, like a fire truck.
Learning fun. 4 and 5 and 6 so bright.
Looking
7,
royal.
8, all day and night. Sprunki sings and we repeat.
Now pick up golden. Spell golden. G-O-L-D-E-N. Golden. Color the crown golden. Fun fact, golden shines like real royal treasure. So shiny.
1, 2, 3, and here we go. Counting fast, now count slow. Jump and shout, 9 and 10. Let's big bang.
And now the final color. Pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the whole body yellow. Fun fact, yellow is as bright as the sun.
Number spree. 1 by 1, 11, 12. Number
Did you know Sprunki 30 is made of 30 tiny blocks? That is 3 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30. 30! Wow, amazing!
songs will take you far. Numbers shining, here we stay. Learning grows in every way.
Ooh, let's play a fun game. Can you guess how many colors Sprunki 30 will have? Is it 3? Is it 4? Or is it 5 colors? Shout it out loud. Let's find out together.
Learn and play so happily. Count with joy. 7, 8, 9. This Sprunki song feels so divine. One more time.
I am made of 30 tiny blocks, and I wear a royal crown. Count with me. 10, 20, 30. 30 done! Amazing job, super learners! Today you drew a main body, a lower body, glasses, and eyes, a happy smile, and a royal crown, and colored every color: black, orange, red, golden, and yellow. You are a superstar artist! Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo. See you next time for more fun adventures.